Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, I am going to show you how to use your gel pressed papers and turn them into beautiful paper lanterns. This is a really wonderful way to show off your gel press art with a magical glow. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some paper lanterns. It's important to let the first layer of white paint dry for a minute before you add your next set of colors. If you print a sheet that you really love, you can always make color copies of it to make several matching lanterns. A monoprint, what we're creating here on our gel press, is a single impression of an image made from a reprintable block. Rather than printing multiple copies, only one impression is made. I'm using white school glue to put these together instead of hot glue to give myself a few extra seconds to make sure the placement is just right. Paper lanterns were common by the Tang Dynasty about 690 to 705 AD, and it was during this time that the annual Lantern Festival was established. If you just want to use the paper lanterns for decoration without the tea light, you can always glue the last flap down. I'm going to leave a link to gel press and everything I used for this project. I used 7.5-inch popsicle sticks, but you could use shorter ones. You could use coffee stirrers, whatever you have that works. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.